Hello everyone, welcome to our Minimalist Setup YouTube channel. When it comes to finalizing your PC build, it's important to choose the best minimal PC case for you, especially if you plan on installing high-end components. 1. Corsair 5000D Airflow. The Corsair 5000D Airflow is an impressive chassis with a simple yet elegant design. The front panel features a large cutout to allow the mounted fans to draw in cool air. A large tempered glass window on the side provides a good view of all the components installed inside and supports up to a 360mm radiator to ensure all your components are cooled. As an added bonus, 2 of the 11 PCI slots are vertical, allowing you to install a GPU without using a high-end vertical GPU mount. Corsair makes great hardware, and the 5000D Airflow is a great choice for a minimalist PC. 2. Leanlee 011 Dynamic Evo White. Leanlee has always pursued originality, and this time it was co-developed with famous German overclocker and tech expert YouTuber Dear8or. It comes in 2 colors, black and white, but the reason why we chose white is because it matches well with the transparent front and side panels. It is the perfect case to maintain a simple design while adding calm RGB lighting to the clean white body. This time, the front panel part can be installed to the 3 corners of the case according to your desired direction. 3. Thermaltch S100A Minimalist PC Case doesn't have to cost a fortune. The Thermaltch S100 is a great example. This minimalist PC case has it all for under $70. This Thermaltch minimalist computer case comes in 2 colors, black and white. Both colors are great, but I think the black edition looks even more stylish. Despite its low price of $69.99, Thermaltch has never compromised on quality. The side panel is made of 4mm thick tempered glass, giving you a clear view of the internal components. 4. Fractal Design North. The Fractal Design North is a unique take on the mid-tower PC case. It boasts a custom design using natural materials, including walnut or oak. The design is further enhanced by the refined brass or steel detailing and the integrated tabs on the top of the case for easy access. Since this case is not designed to be flashy, Fractal design includes 2 fans without RGB lighting as standard. In fact, since there is no tempered glass on the side panel, we wouldn't recommend installing RGB lighting anywhere inside. 5. Deepcool Mcube 110. The Deepcool Mcube 110 is a great choice for those who want to reduce their case budget while starting their first build. It is one of the best cases because it offers much more features for the price. Supports up to MATX and Mini ITX motherboards. GPU clearance is 330mm. Up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans can be installed, and up to a 280mm radiator can be installed on the top and or front to suppress heat and maintain proper static pressure. It has a simple and cool mechanism using a magnetic side panel. Check link in description. 6. Lian Li Lancool 205M. The Lian Li Lancool 205M is a minimalist Micro A TX mini tower case that is perfect for those looking for a minimalist small form factor. If you want a larger size, the Lian Li Lancool 205 is almost the same, but slightly taller to fit an ATX motherboard. Available in 2 colors, black and white, this elegant case will perfectly match your system. The tempered glass side panel allows you to see the fascinating hardware inside. This case adopts a tempered glass side panel, so internal cable management is a must for those who value appearance. 7. Vetro Almesh 7C. The Vetro Almesh 7C is an impressive PC case from an up-and-coming brand. It almost completely flips the traditional case mold by mounting the power supply in the front, making the most of the rest of the case to maximize airflow. The Vetro Almesh 7C is our top pick for best value, but it's also a strong contender for the top spot. Sure, it's cheaper than many cases on the market, but Vetro needs to make a name for itself, and the Almesh 7C is a great example of that. 8. Lian Li Lancool 3. If you want to show off a cool design and amazing mechanical performance, Lian Li Lancool 3 is the answer. Pull the lever like a car door to open the magnetic strip side panel, close the magnetic cover over the cable like a circuit breaker, and install the SSD without tools. In addition to these features, this case also boasts a cool design and excellent airflow. It boasts a unique yet practical design that will catch the eye of many people. The Lian Li Lancool 3 has a minimalist design, but it is not only good at airflow, but also very sophisticated mechanically. And for some people, it offers a cool feature or feature. The magnetic door is made of aluminum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel.